Hi friends, this video is the third part of coronavirus or COVID-19 later GK questions for competitive exams. Part 1 and Part 2 links are given below in descriptions or press the above icon. In last two sessions we seen more about the coronavirus or COVID-19. In this session we see about corona vaccines. If you still not subscribed Brain Blaster, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notification on each videos. Now let us start our today's session. Today's first question. World's first COVID-19 vaccine was registered on 11th November 2020, 12th November 2020, 30th December 2020 or 14th December 2020. The correct answer is option A, 11th November 2020. Which is the first registered COVID vaccine in the world? Option A, Covaxin. Option B, Sputnik V. Option C, Covishield. Option D, Pfizer vaccine. The correct answer is option B, Sputnik V. Which is the first COVID vaccine authorized in the United States of America? The options are Covaxin, Sputnik V, Covishield, Pfizer vaccine. The correct answer is option D, Pfizer vaccine. The next question is, the most effective COVID vaccine based on clinical trials is Covaxin, Sputnik V, Covishield, Pfizer vaccine. The correct answer is option D, Pfizer vaccine. How many shots of vaccines required for corona vaccination? 1 shot, 2 shots, 3 shots or 4 shots? The correct answer is option B, 2 shots. The next question. Interval between 2 shots of Pfizer vaccine is dash. Option A, 10 days. B, 21 days. C, 30 days. D, 25 days. The correct answer is option B, 21 days. Which among the following corona vaccine is safe in pregnancy and lactation? Covishield, Pfizer vaccine, Covaxin, none of these. The correct answer is none of these. What is the route of administration of COVID vaccine? Intradermal over deltoid region, intradermal over flexor region, intramuscular over deltoid muscle, none of these. The correct answer is option C, intramuscular over deltoid muscle. What is the minimum age for COVID vaccination? 14 years, 15 years, 16 years or 18 years? The correct answer is option C, 16 years. Which was the first vaccine using messenger RNA technology? Pfizer vaccine, Covaxin, Covishield or Sputnik V? The correct answer is option A, Pfizer vaccine. Which city hospitals are using robots for treating COVID-19 patients? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Madhya Pradesh, Jaipur or Rajasthan? The correct answer is option C, Jaipur. Bharat Biotech collaborates with Dash for instrumental in development of Covaxin. ICMR, option B, NIV, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. The correct answer is both A and B. who have granted permission to initiate phase 1 and phase 2 human clinical trial of Covaxin. CDSCO. Option B, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. C, both A and B. D, none of above. The correct answer is both A and B. Which is the first indigenous vaccine against COVID 19 in India? Option A, Covaxin. Option B, Covishield. C, Coronil. D, none of these. The correct answer is A, Covaxin. The Covaxin received up approval for phase 1 and phase 2 human clinical trials. A, DCGI. B, DDBG. C, DBHC. D, DHSK. The correct answer is DCGI. After Covaxin and Covishield, which will become the third vaccine to be used in India? A, Sputnik V. B, Pfizer vaccine. C, both A and B. D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Sputnik V. Which country PM is affected with COVID 19? Option A, Britain. B, South Korea. C, North Korea. D, America. The correct answer is option A, Britain. The next question. An effective hand sanitizer must have dash percentage of alcohol to kill the coronavirus. 30%, 45%, 60%, or 80%. The correct answer is option C, 60%. What does ICMR stands for? Indian Council of Medical Research, International Council of Medical Research, Indian Council of Medicine's Research, Indian Church of Medical Research. The correct answer is Indian Council of Medical Research. What is the full form of DCGI? Digital Control of India, Disease Controller General of India, Drugs Controller General of India, none of these. The correct answer is Drugs Controller General of India. So now today's session is over. There are still many questions left related to coronavirus and coronavirus vaccines. To get full information about the vaccines, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get instant notifications. Let us all meet in our next video. Until then, keep your brain blasting with new questions every day. Jai Hind.